In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up AI Studio in Asana, step by step. We'll walk through enabling Asana's AI features, creating an AI Studio rule inside a project, and configuring it so the AI reliably performs the task you have in mind. I'll keep this clear and practical so you can follow along and get value right away. Start by enabling Asana AI at the organization level. Sign into your Asana admin console using an account with admin permissions. Open Settings, then select Asana AI. You'll see prompts guiding you through enabling AI features for your organization. Read each prompt carefully, confirm any notices, and complete the setup. This step turns on the AI capabilities your rules will rely on later. Next, move into the project where you want the workflow to run. Open that project, click Customize in the top area, and choose Rules. Select Add, then pick Create with AI Studio. This tells Asana you're building an automation powered by AI for that specific project, keeping everything scoped and easy to manage. Now configure the rule. First, set the trigger. This is when the rule should run. Common choices include when a task is added to the project or when a new comment arrives on a task. Choose the event that best represents the moment you want the AI to get involved. If you're unsure, start with the earliest event in your process so the AI can act consistently. Then set the action. This is what the AI should do once the trigger fires. Good starting actions include adding a comment with guidance or status, or updating a custom field to reflect priority, stage, or next steps. Pick an action that makes the AI's work visible and useful to your team. Finally, add guidance. Write plain language instructions that a helpful teammate could follow. Start by stating the objective clearly, such as, your job is to summarize new task descriptions into 3 concise bullet points, highlighting goal, owner, and deadline. Specify the scope so the AI knows what to use and what to ignore. For example, use only the task title and description. Do not reference attachments or external links. Define the output format and length, like return exactly 3 bullet points, each under 20 words, and end with a 1-sentence recommendation. Include an example of the desired output to anchor the AI style and structure. Consistency in wording goes a long way, so keep the phrasing straightforward and unambiguous. That's it. Enable Asana AI, build your rule with AI Studio, and shape it with clear triggers, actions, and guidance. If results need refining, adjust the guidance until the output matches your expectations.